Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like pound dollar, GBP USD, gold USD, GBP JPY, and others. So let's get started. So right now, Euro USD is trading at 1.1366. This is the current market price of Euro USD. And as we all know, that market is extremely unstable right now due to the ongoing events, mainly Ukraine-Russia issue. Because there is a tension going on between Russia and Ukraine, and we are not sure in which direction the events are moving, and mostly market is also very uncertain right now. As a result, we are seeing huge spikes or some unprecedented movements in the market right now. So in this market condition, my dear friends, keep in mind, if you trade, then following risk management is extremely important, because see, this unpredictable nature of the market will be gone after a few days. Market will be back to normal, but at that particular point of time, you should be having your capital to trade. Okay, so do not lose your capital in this market condition. Keep in mind, this is your hard-earned money. Do not gamble in this market condition. Okay, so let's talk about Euro USD now. So as we all know, there is not much movement on the chart of Euro USD now. Euro USD is trading in a very narrow range here. Okay, and market is extremely sensitive to news right now because of the Ukraine and Russia. So please, if you have an ongoing position, please be in touch. Be in touch with the news mostly, because anything may happen, and nobody knows what will happen. So if you are looking for fresh position, then I would like to add that yes, we do have couple of entry levels here. Okay, just keep in mind. First of all, if you are looking for a good position, if you are looking for a position that is very reliable, okay, then again I would like to add that these are the two levels, okay, that has the potential of making money. First of all, if market goes up, okay, then we have a strong resistance around 1.1480 to 1.1500. This is a strong resistance in the market. If market comes down or reverses from this particular position, you can take a sell position. Okay, but if you see that market is crossing the level, okay, because I'm considering the present volatility in the market. If you see that market has crossed the level, the market is standing at resistance, but there is a green candle, then that is not the ideal position to take a short position, sell position. Okay, only take a sell position if you see good price rejection from above, because good price rejection is the confirmation that yes, my dear friend, you can take the sell position. Sellers are present at the resistance level. Remember one thing always, what is resistance? Resistance means a place of sellers. Okay, see here, sellers were present, market reversed. Sellers were present, market reversed. But do we have the confirmation? Can we tell with full confidence that sellers are still present? No. Okay. If we see some kind of price rejection from above, then only we can say that yes, sellers are still present, and then only we should take the sell position. So if market goes up and if you get a strong price rejection from above, then only take a sell position. And if it breaks it, then that's a different chapter I will be covering tomorrow. And on the other hand, if market comes down and bounces, reverses from the 1.1280, this is a support level, we can take a buy position as well. As I said, confirmation is important, because this was the support, but do we have the confirmation now? No. So if we get a price rejection from below, it will be giving us the confirmation that yes, my dear friend, buyers are still present, you can go for a buy. Okay, so confirmation is important, never forget. So these are the two most important levels on the chart of Euro USD we have understood so far. But right now, as market is trading in a very narrow range here, so things are quite dull and flat. For day trading purpose, okay, if you find market coming down and bouncing from the minor support zone of 1.1310 to 1.1300, you can take a buy position, okay. But this is for day traders only, and do not expect huge profit because this level, these level are temporary levels, okay, not very strong levels. So if market comes down to this level and bounces, we can take a buy position for day trading purpose only. And on the other hand, if market goes up and reverses from 1.1390 to 1.1400, this level, okay, you can take a sell position for day trading purpose only. If market breaks also this level, do not take a buy position. Do not consider it as a breakout because the present market situation is not good enough. And today is Friday. Okay, considering all the factors, if you get any breakout scenario, then taking a breakout order will not be a wise decision. Okay, because market is very unstable right now, and secondly, okay, it's Friday. Market is in holiday mode. Okay, so be careful. These are the levels, and whatever you do, keep in mind follow proper risk management. Risk management is extremely important in this market conditions, especially. Okay, if you still have not started using the positions as calculator, please use it. It's your money, man. Protect it. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow with the detailed analysis for the next week.